Welcome guys. So I'm bringing you this video to show you guys how I take trades, how I analyze the market and get most of my trades. So this will be like a breakdown of my past trades, like the trade I took on GJ last week, not this trading week that just passed, the trading week before this one that passed. So I hope you watch and learn something new today. So let's get to it. So this is for the GJ that I took last week. So what did I see before taking this trade? This will be a quick one here. To be a quick one. So if you want to learn more things like this, you can just hit the follow button and I'll drop more videos like this. So after getting my POI on the higher time frame, which you can see, I'm expecting to buy. After getting the POI, market was still around this region, this zone. Market was still here on the 24th. This was on the 24th that I took this trade. So market was still around this region. So I was just patiently waiting for a market structure shift on a lower time frame to confirm that market is ready to sell and clear this trendline liquidity. So that was what I was just waiting for there. So going lower to my time frame on the 45 minutes, I then saw that market started trending lower after giving us a failure to swing here, a failure to swing at this region. Market started trending lower. It kept breaking structure to the downside. Market kept breaking structure to the downside, confirming that it's selling. So I was not interested in any of these zones. I was never interested because I didn't see any liquidity to back up my trade. So I was skeptical taking those trades because sometimes most of these movements might be manipulation. So what I did was I waited patiently for a zone that has liquidity backing it up, because I don't take trades without liquidity to avoid manipulations. So when I saw this zone here, it took out liquidity at this region. It took out liquidity, but it didn't react off of anything before selling, which made me skeptical of the next zone. Because after it broke structure, it gave another liquidity here. It gave me this liquidity, gave me another block on the lower time frame, but I'm not going lower now to show you. I'll show you the other block later, but get the idea behind the trade. So he formed this other liquidity here, then gave me another block, but I was not sure. That was why I missed it. This setup, I was meant to take sales from here, but I missed it because I was not sure of that zone. I don't want to take anyhow trade. So when price finally broke this low, here, confirming that we are still trending lower, I waited for a liquidity to form. So this was when the liquidity formed, my inducement. So I was looking at this zone, this region now. I was looking at it for sales, and I wanted to take my trades directly from here, but the risk to reward was very low. It was very, very, very low. So I ended up not using that zone, not entering directly from there. So I decided to use confirmation entry because the risk to reward will be very low. I think it was 1:3 or thereabout, 1:2 when I took it. So I decided to use confirmation entry. I went lower to 15 minutes time frame and waited for price to shift. The last low, which was here. After that, I waited for a liquidity I waited for this liquidity to form, then marked out my POI. As you can see, price came there, respected it and sold. That was just the idea behind the trade. I took another trade here too, but it was a loss. I wanted to continue the trend. I wanted to continue the sell from here, but it took me out due to news. High impact news took me out. So that's just it, guys. So for this GU now that I caught, one is 215 RR. This GU, let me show you the breakdown quickly. So I knew where price was coming from. I went to my higher time frame and saw what price was doing. Looking at it on the daily time frame, you can see that price was coming from this breaker block right about this region. It took a liquidity and now is buying to either sell from this zone or take at the high. So we only react according to what market does this region. So after seeing where market was coming from or where price was coming from, I then went lower to my lower time frame, just 4 hours. I went to the 4 hours time frame and I saw all these internal choppy structures here, which acts as liquidity. All these internal structures, I saw it. So I was waiting patiently for market to shift all these lows, taking out all these liquidities. I would have come lower, but there was no point of interest at these lows. There's no point of interest here, so this liquidity might be taken later in the future. I don't know, so I just ignored that side. I then saw this liquidity here, saw this other block, this tiny other block here, but I was not sure to take the trade directly from here. I was not sure of the other block, because sometimes all these little other blocks here, they do fail. So I was not really sure of the other block. I had to still scale down. To the lower time frame. So I scaled down to the 15 minutes time frame, Yes, I took the trade from 15 minutes time frame. I scaled down to the 15 minute time frame and I saw the market structure shift after price took out this high. Then I saw this my inducement or this liquidity. I saw this liquidity and also this other block right about this region. Then I waited for a rejection at that other block. After the rejection, I entered. I did not enter immediately from this other block. I entered after this rejection. That was how I entered, then covered this low and targeted this trend line liquidity. So that's just the trade. That was how I held the trade through FOMC and the next day till got to my take profit. So that's just it, guys. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments, or you have issues with interpreting the charts, just let me know. Tell me what you want me to teach and I'll attend to it. Stay blessed, guys.